This exciting 3-day workshop is a good arena for you as artists to take the skills you've learned and now apply it to nature. And obviously the portrait being one of the more challenging things that we as artists deal with in terms of getting a good likeness. It's an exciting way to see how well you can apply your values to nature. Are you creating good, strong forms and volumes? And really giving yourself an idea of where you're at with your skills. There's always room to grow, and this is a wonderful opportunity to give you some new interesting ways at looking at how to lay down a good portrait drawing. We'll be working from a live model, working on structure of the head, looking at how to create forms on the face, the planal changes that occur between forehead to cheeks to the nose to the mouth. We'll intently look at each feature of the face, how to create a convincing eye, the forms around the eye, the upper lid, lower lid, all of this to help you create a stronger and more convincing portrait.